In last episode, we learned about how to spell something in German, and today we are going to practice it. So, as always, we are going to read a disclaimer before going to proceed. So, we will practice the Buchstabieren mit ein Kinderlied, means with a kids song. So, the song is very simple. It has very short lyrics. Der Bauer hatte einen Hund und Bingo war sein Name. So that means der Bauer means farmer. Der Bauer hatte einen Hund means the farmer had one dog and his name was Bingo. Und Bingo war sein Name. So Bingo so you understand Bingo? Und means and. Bingo was sein Name means Bingo was his name. And then you have to repeat the whole thing. And Hund means dog. And in place of saying wow, we say woof in German. So let's continue. Der Bauer hatte einen Hund und Bingo war sein Name. Der Bauer hatte einen Hund und Bingo war sein Name. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O und Bingo war sein Name. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. Bingo, Bingo, Bingo war sein Name. Bingo, 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 das Hund. Woo! So that's all for today. Please subscribe my channel. See you again.